My current challenge with the Cobb is working out the optimum amount of charcoal to use with the frying dish / wok. Cobb recommend 250 to 300 grams of charcoal or 8 to 10 briquettes. However, for me that creates a conundrum. The average weight of my favourite Weber briquettes is somewhere between 40 and 45 grams, so 10 weigh up to 450 grams. So which is it? I decided to compare the top end of each of the Cobb recommendations with a stir fry, so that 7 chipped Web briquettes weighed in at around 300 grams versus 10 briquettes weighing in at around 428 grams, which is 50% more than Cobb's recommended weight. In terms of the stir fry, I went for the lazy option with a ready-made kit along with some bacon and mushrooms I had, and split it into 2. So what happened? Not surprisingly, the 450 grams of charcoal was faster than the 300 grams. But in neither case was I getting a crispy stir fry, as you would expect from a wok on the grill. Which kind of confirmed my feeling that despite its many virtues, the Cobb does underwhelm when it comes to delivering heat with the recommended amounts. However, both stir fries were delicious and there was enough charcoal left to do a second helping, albeit at a slower pace. It's all good.